Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming drive type and capacity so you get a compatible SSD. That's crucial. Once confirmed, back up your system image and create a bootable USB because you may need to reinstall. Make sure you have the right tools and an anti-static strap. This prevents damage while you open the case. Now power down, unplug, and ground yourself. Remove the side panel or access hatch and locate the existing drive bay or M2 slot to start removal. You'll remove the old drive carefully. For 5-inch SATA, unplug cables and unmount the bracket. For M2, back out the single screw and slide the module out at about a 30-degree angle. Once removed, insert the new SSD the same way the old one sat, align the connector and seat firmly. Fasten the M2 screw or secure the 5 drive in its tray. Then reconnect the SATA and power cables, tidy cables to maintain airflow, and replace the case panel. You now power up and enter BIOS to confirm the new SSD is recognized and set the correct boot priority if it holds the OS. If you clone the old disk, boot to check system integrity, otherwise perform a fresh install. Run smart diagnostics and update the SSD firmware for reliability. If the drive isn't detected, make sure to reseat cables, try a different SATA port or adapter, and then update your motherboard BIOS. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.